Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm checking out the March 2021 Gotham Crate. Yes, I know it's a little late, but better late than never, so let's check it out. So if you guys are not familiar with Gotham Crate, it is a quarterly subscription box that delivers some of the best tactical, mission critical, and everyday carry gear. And they're pretty new, so this is only my second box from them. And like I said, this is from March. I know it's April. I've been out of town working, so let's just break into this, shall we? All right, so let's tear this open and let's see what we got inside. And I love this artwork here. And if I pan up, you guys can see the top of the box there. Very cool artwork. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put this off to the side, grab an item out of the box one at a time, and we can check it out together. So the first thing we have here is Fisher Space Pen. Now I love Fisher Space Pens. I have about 3 of them already. So let's check out and see what this one is. Having a hard time getting this bad boy out. So there it is. So I'm not exactly sure what style this is, but on the side of the box it says number M4BS Black with stylus. And yeah, you can see right here, it does have a stylus right there. That's pretty cool. So I definitely don't have this style of Fisher Space Pen. And let's see what kind of cartridge it comes with. So inside of this one is a PR4 Black Medium refill. And let's see if I can give you guys a nice close-up right there. And this just screws right back on. So it looks like it's a matte black color. Even the pocket clip is matte black. So far I like it. So let's test out how this writes. All right, so let's check this out here. And yeah, how does this write? No, I am not a doctor, but I have the handwriting of one. I know I've used that joke before, excuse my lame jokes, but so far, I like this thing. You can't really go wrong with the Fisher Space Pen. You got the pressurized ink cartridges, can write upside down, can write in the cold, but there's nothing really else to say about this, so let's see what else we got. And just the next thing on the top here, just a sticker, says we own the night, and www.specwarsolutions.com. So let's put that off to the side. And what is this? A Voodoo Tactical BDU wallet. And this is a wallet. This is a pretty big ass wallet. So on the back of the package here, it says made of rugged pack cloth. Molle straps make for easy attachment to belt or pack. Full zip with zipper pull, 9 separate pockets or slots. External mesh pocket, 2 inside lanyards with clips. Bonus hook and loop subdued USA flag patch, and holds IDs, pens, pencils, flashlights, medical supplies, passports, tools, and slips into your BDU pocket. So this is very cool. So let's undo these snaps and check out the inside of this BDU wallet. And oh, this is very sweet. So it looks like we have a strap on this side with a plastic hook, and on this side is more of a piece of paracord with the same type of hook here. And then we have 2 separate pockets on this side, and then we have a larger pocket over here on this side. And it looks like this whole wallet is made of nylon, except for the inside here. It looks more like a plastic material. And then on the outside of the wallet here, we have some mesh that's held together with some Velcro. And right above that mesh, we have the American flag, and of course we can take that right off if we want to and replace it with whatever we want. It looks like right on the inside it says Voodoo Tactical, and then uh-oh. No, I'm just kidding. This actually feels pretty nice and high quality. So I'm gonna put everything back in here and zip it back up so we can check out what else is in the Gotham Crate here. So I'll put this off to the side. And what the heck is this? A 6-inch snap light. I think these are always useful just to have in your car for a safety light. Say for example, you break down on the side of the road and don't have any other lights to let cars know that you're out there changing a tire maybe. Take this out, break it, and you have yourself a nice little safety light stick. But I'm sure you guys get the point. I'm just gonna leave this in a bag. I don't think I need to break this open and demonstrate it because I actually wanna keep this thing. I'll put this off to the side, and what's next in here? All right, so we have a black Sharpie. And it looks like my camera can't focus on this black Sharpie, so let's get in a little closer. What's going on? There you go. And that's enough time for the black Sharpie. Let's move on. All right, next. Oh, I always love these. This is a Write in the Rain all-weather notepad. So I really love Write in the Rain notepads. I tested one of these out on video before. I basically took one of the sheets of paper, completely submerged it into water, and used a Fisher Space Pen, and it still wrote while it was in the water. Yes, that was an extreme example, but I just wanted to see how far I can take the Write in the Rain notepads with a pressurized pen. So I already have a ton of these notepads, but one more will not kill me. And then you can see right here, it says Write in the Rain, paper repels water, sweat, grease, and mud. So inside of the notepad here, we have some pretty useful conversions. It looks like we have some measurement conversions, some English linear measurements, and some map scales, English and metric. But let's put this off to the side and let's see what else we have in here. Okay, I have one of these already that came in the last box, just a Gotham Crate ink pen. Looks like there's one big item left. So some more swag from SpecWarsSolutions.com. And then we have the cheat sheet here. I'll put that off to the side for last, but the last thing in the box is, check this out, an SOG Seal Pup Elite. So let's check this out. So fixed blade Seal Pup Elite. On the back of the box here, it says it's a fixed blade, blade length 4.85 inches, weight 5.4 ounces, overall length 9.5 inches. The handle is glass reinforced nylon, sheath is synthetic, and it looks like the blade steel is AUS 8. And you can see a picture of the knife right here in the back with the sheath, what everything is. So let's take this bad boy out, huh? So it looks like it's sticker sealed here. You gotta love this. You need a knife to actually get the knife out. Love when that happens. All right, so let's take a look at this SOG Seal Pup Elite and be very careful. And there it is right there. So this is pretty nice. It has some weight to it too. And we got the nylon sheath here. So I don't own too many SOG knives. I do have the SOG multi-tool that I did a video on a few months back that I really like. It's not my everyday carry or everyday use for work multi-tool. I just found that it was too big and heavy to use over some of my Leathermans that are just a little more compact, a little lighter. But for this, I like the weight of this. So you can see I have a full 4-finger grip here and it actually feels pretty comfortable. So also reading the back of the box here, it says black tiny SOG sharp blade, twin thumb notches for blade control, full tank construction, textured glass reinforced nylon handle, and durable synthetic sheath. So let's see how well it fits into this sheath. So we have a Velcro and snap on the top there, and all right, fits in pretty nice. Snap it up, and okay, there we go. And on the front here where we have the SOG branding, we have a little pocket right here, possibly for a sharpener or whatever else you want to stick in here. But yeah, overall, I really like SOG as a company. I don't have too many fixed blades in my collection. I have way too many pocket folders, if that's even a thing. But as far as fixed blades go, this actually feels really nice. It feels nice in the hand, a nice textured grip here, a full 4-finger grip on the handle. So yes, I do like this. So that's the last item in the box here. So now it's time to hit the cheat sheet. So the first item on the cheat sheet here is the SOG Seal Pup Elite for $195. Then it shows the Voodoo Tactical BDU wallet at $14.95, the Fisher Space Pen at $26, the Write in the Rain pad at $3.95, the Sialume Chemlite, hopefully I'm saying that right, sorry if I'm not, $2, and a Sharpie marker for exactly $1. And then I really like what they do at the bottom here. It shows the MSRP total value is $148.85, and you basically pay $99 every quarter for one of these Gotham crates. So you can see the value in one of these boxes because you're definitely getting your money's worth with $148.85 in total value. So overall, I think this is a pretty decent box for Gotham Crate. Yes, that opinion is subjective. Maybe you guys don't care about fixed blades or Fisher Space Pens. But if you're watching this video or watch my channel at all, most likely you do. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you guys think of the March 2021 Gotham Crate? If you guys want to check out Gotham Crate for yourself, I will have links below in my description box. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And go!